Youm-e-Takbeer is being observed on Saturday with national zeal and fervor to commemorate historic nuclear tests at Chaghi in 1998. Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif had already announced 10-day celebrations on the completion of 24 years of nuclear tests. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif on Saturday congratulated the nation on the 24th anniversary of the country's successful nuclear tests and vowed to make Pakistan an economic power. The Foreign Office, in its message on the occasion, said the nuclear tests conducted in 1998 had not only demonstrated the nation's resolve to safeguard the country's territorial integrity, independence and sovereignty but also its determination to preserve the strategic balance in South Asia. The FO spokesperson's statement also highlighted Pakistan's beneficial use of nuclear technology in the energy, water and food security, education, health, agriculture and industrial sectors.